Hi everyone, just want to show you around this 2018 MT-10 which we've just taken here at Mott Motorcycles. I'm going to show you around the bike and it's in really lovely condition. There's a few extras as well which I'll show you as we go around. A couple of stone chips up here, nothing really that major. It's one of those things where you don't really know unless you're looking for it. Headlight has no cracks. It's got aftermarket radiator guard on there. It's got these aftermarket front wheel spindle protectors. It's not done a lot of miles, I believe it's under 9,000 miles, which I'll show you in the video. Got an oil cooler protector on there as well, which we always recommend. It's got GB Racing crankcase covers on here. There is also one on the other side, obviously. It's got some lovely LED indicators. This was quite an iconic colour scheme, which sadly Yamaha haven't done for a few years. But it's definitely my personal one of my favourites. Got fully adjustable suspension. Got obviously digital dashboard. Tank has no scratches. You know, most common sign of getting scratches from your zipper here, they're okay. You've got these side tank pads as well. Got a rear Blakeford reservoir cover. This does come with the original link catch, should I say. So you can put the exhaust system back to standard. And it's got paddock stand bobbins as well. It's got a lovely tail tidy. It's definitely one finish that looks up on these, which is lovely. Comes with an LED number plate light as well. Just a lovely bike all around. Got a fully adjustable suspension front and rear. Chain and sprockets are in good condition as well. Got your GB covers on this side as well. And again, your crash bungs. Levers are all standard. Bar ends have been changed. Again, no marks on this side either. Original mirrors. And original levers. So as I said, this does come with the original exhaust system, which obviously we would advise to put on, especially for an MOT. But this is how it comes. So it's 8,235 miles. Just start her up. It's not too loud, but probably would come up as an MOT advisory. I believe actually it did come up as an MOT advisory. The MOT wasn't done with us. Starts on the button. Sounds lovely. Lovely cross-plane door. if you want to be in for a chance of owning one of these, give us a call on 01256 841 110 or check out our website for more. Thank you.